So we're going to take a look at this multicolored jellyfish lamp. It's by Merkury and it is a LED mood lamp. We're going to take 9 inches tall, 2 jelly motion jellyfishes, USB powered, USB wall adapter included, and multiple colored RGB LED. On off. So yeah, there's what comes in the box. So yeah, multiple colors. And then, so yeah. Got it all ready. Comes with a stick. Pretty long stick. Okay, let's see. Here's the power cable. USB. Comes with a wall outlet charger. You can plug into the USB if needed. And here's the back. Here's the cable. It's pretty big. So yeah, I had to fill it with water. Well, 2 jellyfishes, 2 buttons, LED. There is to take it off. There is a top. There's another cap for the water. So yeah, there it is. Let's plug it in and see how it works. Let's adjust it. So yeah, there it is. And if the jellyfishes have any air bubbles, well, let's see the instructions right here. There's different colors. I think there's multicolor, red, green. If you get any air bubbles in them, they'll get stuck. Blue and yellow. Blue again. Purple. White. Rainbow. So yeah, here's the instructions. Let's go through it while you guys are looking at that. Okay, instructions fill. Here's the instructions how to fill it. Remove cap from containing air. Fill bottle with clean water, recommended purified water or filtered water instead of tap. Add detergent to help the jellyfishes float. I forgot to do that. Place the jellyfish inside the water, upside down to help reduce air bubbles. Getting inside of the head of the jellyfish. Use the stick or something similar to shake the air bubbles out of the jellyfish once it is submerged in the water. Cover up the lip and the top and make sure the product is totally dry from the outside. Any questions? And here's some more instructions. Have you looked through that? Takes up to 24 hours for the jellyfish to swim normally. If you see air bubbles, technical support, New York. Yeah, see that? I think there's air bubbles stuck in that one. So yeah, let's take a look at it when the lights are off. Oh wow. Here, let's see. Let's zoom on out. See if I can let you see the lighting. There's the lighting. Yeah, it looks like they are pretty stuck. Oh wow, that's pretty cool too, if you leave that off. There's the cap. Here's another cap. The wall is beautiful. There's a blue. There's the jellyfish swimming. Yeah. Red. This is a pretty cool night light if you guys need it. Yeah, if you guys could get the jellyfish in there to work. Looks like there is a pump in there that just pushes the water around. There's blue, yellow, white. So yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys.